Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I will be doing a sleek ponytail with a jumbo braid. So if you want to see me achieve this style, just keep on watching. Please excuse my voice. I am a little bit hoarse from my daughter's sports day. Okay guys? Alright, so to start this hairstyle, I'll be doing a small section at the front, a horseshoe section where I'll be making 3 braids before making my ponytail. So I've completed my 3 braids in the front, 2 on either side and a jumbo braid in the middle. Then I will be moving on to my ponytail. So to secure my ponytail, I will be using a scrunchie to get all this lovely 4C hair together real quick. Alright, so I'll be wrapping my scrunchie a few times to ensure that my ponytail is tightly secure. I'm not gonna lie though, people. Pulling all this 4C hair together in a bun is not an easy task. Yeah, you're enough, not lie. Alright, so then I am going to proceed to applying my Ecostyler gel for a little extra hold so that my ponytail can look sleek and nice. So after I've applied the gel, I will then proceed to brushing the sides in. So I'm going to tie my hair and let it sit for a few minutes or maybe an hour. And then I will be right back to complete my hairstyle. So guys, I'm back, and to add my jumbo braid, I will be using 2 packs of kanekalon braid to do so. Alright. So I will be adding the hair to my bun, and then I will proceed to making a jumbo braid. So after I've completed my jumbo braid, then I will be securing it over my bun. I will be using bobby pins to pin it down to ensure that my body doesn't show through. So once my jumbo braid is tightly secured, then I will be moving on to adding another smaller braid to to the base of my jumbo braid. So I have already braided the smaller braid, so I'll be putting it over my jumbo braid. And once it's at the base, then I'm gonna wrap it around the base for that extra security and a little added style. So guys, it's time to clip away all the extra hair that didn't make it into the braid. We want our braid to look nice and clean. So to finish the look, I will be adding some gold accessories. Thank you guys so much for watching my tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. If you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe down below. Subscribe, please show you girls some love. If you enjoyed this tutorial, give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below. And also don't forget to follow me on social media, on all my social media handles. Bye. Until next time, stay blessed.